Children, let us continue with chapter number 7, India Geographical Features. Now, continue with the topic conservation of forest and wildlife in India. If we have to define conservation, how would we define it? Like it is the very careful protection of something that takes place through a proper planned management of the natural resources to prevent the exploitation, destruction, or neglect of any of the object. So that is what is meant by the conservation. Now here we are talking about the conservation of the forest and the habitat, the wildlife that is dependent upon it here in our country. Now, to conserve the forest and the wildlife, we have to adopt certain of the measures there so that the natural habitat that of the animals and that of the various species of the trees, they are not disturbed. So for this purpose, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, botanical gardens, they were formed up. So it is it is an attempt, the wildlife conservation, it is an attempt to protect the endangered animals and their natural habitats. Now, why do we pay much importance to it? Why do we give it much importance? Because if even one of the species of the food chain, it goes extinct, then the entire food chain, it will be spoiled and it would have a negative effect on the surroundings. Now, why do we need to conserve the wildlife and the forest? Simply for the reasons that the forest and the wildlife, it affect the human population. Now, lack of it, what would happen? Like many people, those who are living in the rural areas, their resources, their income, it depends upon the various of the resources that is available in the forested area. Some of the industries, they depend on the forest like timber. Then many of the animals, they are becoming extinct, on the verge of extinct. Then many medicinal plants, they are obtained from the forested area. Then for the animals to maintain their breeding place and to maintain their importance in the food chain. So it is very important that the wildlife is flourishing in its natural habitat. So keeping the animal in full safety, not disturbing the forest, that is the need that we should conserve. That is what the need. It is there to conserve the wildlife and the forest. Now, conservation efforts in India, it resulted in the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, the features of which it says that making the provisions for the habitat protection, publishing a list of the protected species, then setting up of the national parks, sanctuaries, and announcing the conservation projects for some of the specific endangered animals. Now, when we started off the topic, we mentioned various of the new terms like the national parks, the biosphere reserve, then the wildlife sanctuaries. Now, what are these? What is a national park? Let us go through it. Now, all of these terms, they are the special initiative taken out by the government for the protection of the wild animals as well as the various species of the trees as well. Like by definition, a national park is a large area of the land which is protected by the government because of its natural beauty, plants or animals, which the public can usually visit. Like say, for example, we have the Jim Corbett National Park, then Ranthambore National Park. Now, Biosphere Reserve, what are these? Now, Biosphere Reserves, the a reserve, it is a place that is reserved for all the plant and the animals that is found to be living in the particular area. The government of India, they have uh, built up the biosphere reserves for the protection of the animals, wildlife, and the flora and the fauna. And that also includes the human communities that live under the biosphere reserves. Now coming to the wildlife sanctuaries. What are wildlife sanctuaries? They are the areas that have been already marked out by the government to make sure that the preservation of the plant and the animal species it takes place. Children, in the book, the name of the wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere reserves they are given. Just go through that list very carefully.